OnePlus built the foundation of their company on fairly priced phones without settling on low-end parts. Over the years, it feels like OnePlus has settled, in a way, with their price. The OnePlus Nord will be one of the least expensive brand new OnePlus devices coming out soon, and in today's video, I'll be going over everything that we know about the OnePlus Nord and whether or not you should be interested. I'm just going to start off this video with the price range. There isn't an official price out there, but we know that it'll be between $300 and $500, so expect the phone to be around the $400 price mark. Keep that price in mind throughout the video as I'm going through what we know. As far as the exterior goes, it'll look like a typical 2020 glass sandwich with some interesting color options. It also looks like there will be a dual camera array on the rear with dual cameras on the front. The cameras should include a 64 megapixel main sensor, 16 megapixel ultra wide, and possibly a 2 megapixel depth or macro camera. The front cameras will be a 32 megapixel primary lens and an 8 megapixel ultra wide. I'm not sure why the wide camera has such a low megapixel count, but the other front camera seems like the one you'd want to use for most photos and videos. Speaking of videos, 32 megapixels is enough for 4K video recording, so I'm hoping that the front-facing camera gets 4K support. On the front side of the phone, we're expecting to have a flat AMOLED display without any curves. Some may not like this, but it lowers the cost of the display, and it also differentiates the lower-end device from the higher-end models like the 8 and 8 Pro. There also won't be a 3.5mm port. As far as the insides of the phone go, 5G connectivity will be paired with the Snapdragon 765 processor and 12GB of RAM, most likely on the high-end model. The launch date is expected to be on July 21st. This is all that we know about the phone so far. Next, I'd like to talk about whether or not it's something that you should care about. The specs for the expected price target is really quite good for an Android phone in 2020. Knowing how well OnePlus does with providing timely software updates, this could easily last you a good 3 to 4 years, no problem. Do I think that this is a good alternative for people wanting a OnePlus device who don't want to spend upwards of $700 on a phone? Yes, but that begs the bigger question. Is OnePlus going back to their first roots where there were more affordable options and rebranding themselves? Or what's exactly going on? This is just a speculation, but I have a feeling that OnePlus is attempting to get new customers interested in the OnePlus brand by making a less expensive but still great phone at a more modest price. This would get customers to see what OnePlus is all about and spread the word about the phones even further than right now. I don't know if OnePlus will start having a mid-range and flagship device lineup going forward, but I do see this as a way for OnePlus to draw in new customers that may have not previously considered a OnePlus device. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on this. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful in any way, please give it a like and consider subscribing to more tech content every week. I've been trying to work on consistency, so that's why videos have only been going out on Monday so far. I'm working on getting a routine down so I can make at least 2 videos per week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Tech Device News.